It's been a good job that the car made it here. We managed, I think, the battery of the tank quite nicely.
Performance of our car, the Tank 700, is amazing. The electric engine help us with the extra power. Then can I manage the one button? When I push this button, I have extra power. And then in the dunes, for example, it's very nice.
This is nice. In some part that we are charging the battery, and then we need more power to cross the big dune on some very soft sandy. You use the extra power with the EV pack. It's a good challenge for everybody, and of course, I want to go together with the next Dakar with Great Wall Motorsport.
GWM, go with more.